So the intermittent fast period is over, and I'm not even hungry, but it is time to eat. So I'm gonna show you how to make the Incredible. Oh, no, never mind. Nope. And an apple. Bam! 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 A little bit of protein. La 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 la. Listen to the rivers and the lakes that you've been in. Oh. I'm sorry, Apple. Even though you don't have a central nervous system or a brain, I'm just gonna have to do it. Oh! I'm sorry, Banana. But, you know, it had to come to this. Oh! Oh, shit. Oh, no, I'm good. Oh! And voila! Oh, yeah. A little bit of sugar-free syrup never hurt anyone, did it? Yeah! Mix that all up. Kapooya! 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 Oh, kapooya!
It's a kapooya! Kapooya!
Oh, forgot to mention, I also have some Ezekiel bread with avocado on there. But that's not part of the Incredible, that's like, you know, the side, you know, it's a side piece. And then I also have my carbonated water here. So, I'm gonna eat this, and then after that I gotta do some training. Well, I've gotta work while I eat this, and then after that I gotta do some training. You know, I hope you've enjoyed this so far, guys. I really do, I really do. I appreciate all of you. Either way, I'm gonna I'm gonna eat this, and then after that, I'm gonna make some super cool edits. Well, as cool as I can make in regards to my training next. So, stay tuned for that. See you guys in 3, 2, should I do, you guys get it. Well, I was gonna go for a walk, but yeah, I guess that's just not happening today. All freaking day, dude. So no vitamin D for this guy today. Well, a little bit in this fortified soy milk here, but very good. Yeah, you'll see what I'm gonna eat here in a little bit. delicious meal. Of course, plant-based, whole food plant-based. And I'll show you here in the next like few seconds. Beans, spaghetti, turmeric, oregano, tomato sauce. All right, so as you can see, it's just a big old bowl of pasta. I enjoy eating pasta at least about 2 times a week. And the protein source is beans, even though it's not that big of a deal when, you know, in regards to the topic of protein. I know we're a nation obsessed with this whole protein shit. It's important, don't get me wrong, but it's you'd be surprised how little you actually need, even to build muscle. But anyways, just I'm gonna bring up some quick advice for those considering to go on a plant-based whole foods diet or lifestyle. I always recommend, or what I would recommend, I'm talking about like as if I've been doing this forever, for people who don't know where to begin, you know, they're thinking about going plant-based, you're trying to eat healthier, whatever the case may be, I would say start with Dr. Greger's Daily Dozen. I'll put a link to his Daily Dozen. It's a simple app where you pretty much just check off what he recommends you should eat, the dozen foods that you should eat. You know, it includes like, I think it's like 5 servings of vegetables and 4 servings of fruit, serving like 3 servings of grains and servings of, I think like 5 servings of water, some exercise, vitamin B12 and vitamin D. Those are just common vitamins that pretty much a lot of people are deficient, whether, no matter what diet you follow. But anyways, that's what I recommend where people start, is if they have no idea where to begin and they're worried about their nutrition, they're trying to change, trying to eat more whole foods, plant-based. Dr. Greger's Daily Dozen. You won't go wrong with that. And another side point, make sure if you're at a healthy body fat percentage that you get enough calories. I mean, I can't stress that enough. Get enough calories. If you're at a healthy body fat percentage, you need energy. You need energy, and the foods that you're eating, if they're whole food plant-based, are not very calorically dense for the most part. You know, some of the whole grains are a little bit more than nuts and seeds are, but for the most part, like greens are not calorically dense at all. There's barely any calories in there. So make sure you get enough calories. And that's about it, guys. You know, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the edit. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I really appreciate all of you. And that's about it. Honestly, I really got nothing else to say. You know, we're just trucking along here, making changes. Production value is actually going to be upped in a little bit. Made a nice little purchase. So you'll see them. You'll see it in a little bit. And again, if you have any comments, questions, regards, whatever, make sure to post it down in the comment sections down below. I'll make sure to get back to you as quickly as possible. You guys know the spiel. I'm the Natural Hulkster. I want to thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for the next one.
Booyah, 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 to the rescue. I call my mama and see what she alright.